Hello, this is Space Daily News. NASA begins assembly of the Europa Clipper spacecraft, which is scheduled to launch to Jupiter's moon Europa in 2024. When it's fully assembled, the Europa Clipper spacecraft will be about 5 meters long, with solar panels spanning 30.5 meters from tip to tip. The takeoff weight of the device will be about 6 tons, including fuel for the flight. Surprisingly, almost every detail of the Europa Clipper is handcrafted. The assembly effort is already underway in clean rooms at the agency's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California. Now engineering components and science instruments are beginning to stream in from across the country and Europe. Before year's end, most of the flight hardware, including a suite of 9 science instruments, is expected to be complete. Europa, which scientists are confident harbors an internal ocean with twice the amount of water in Earth's oceans combined, may currently have conditions suitable for supporting life. Europa Clipper will orbit Jupiter and conduct multiple close flybys of Europa. Among the scientific equipment on the Europa Clipper, there will be 3 instruments for studying the ice crust and the subglacial ocean. These are magnetometers that will determine the thickness of the ice, the depth of the subglacial ocean and its salinity, and a radar to study the structure of the ice crust and determine currents in the ocean. Also, the spacecraft will have 2 cameras to obtain images of the satellite surface with a resolution of up to 50 meters and of individual sections with a resolution of up to 0.5 meters. 3 spectrographs and 1 particle analyzer to study the composition of water emissions from the depths of Europa, study the satellite's atmosphere, and study its chemical composition, in particular to determine the content of salts, minerals, organic substances, and water near its surface and in the bowels. Once all components have been integrated to form the large flight system, Europa Clipper will move to enormous thermal vacuum chamber for testing that simulates the harsh environment of deep space. There also will be intense vibration testing to ensure Europa Clipper can withstand the jostling of launch. Then it's off to Cape Canaveral for an October 2024 launch. Stay tuned with Space Daily News.